4-3 thing, or
so it has an overdrive in second, third, and fourth. You just hit that and it just boop, and then it has an overdrive. It's a half gear, basically a splitter.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, so you have like a cruising gear. So like if second's too low and third's too high, you have second and a half.
Huh.
Oh, the cops. We only got forward gears now. Whoops.
Broke second, huh?
Yeah, just jerked it right off of there.
That was cool.
I'd like to say that's the first time I've ever done. Oh, we don't have that. There's nothing over there.
Buck, a little spiker.
There's a fork on one side. We only got third and fourth. I just ripped the linkage off on the 1-2.
On 2. Yeah.
Whoops.
What do you do?
These cars aren't really for that kind of driving.
They're not Chevy proof.
Bunch more deers.
Yeah, I seen that. I was looking up there, make sure one wasn't gonna
land inside the car. Yeah. That'd be lame. Because it's a stick. A no power drip. Power slide.
Where we're going, you don't need gears.
Yeah, third's fine. Hey guys, Chevy here. Well, I think it's actually gonna happen. I broke the shifter when me and Chris were test driving it. We got the old 1-2 action there. There's nothing happening. Got third, fourth in reverse. But that's it. Got the shop cleaned up. Well, not clean, but organized. Tons of room in here. Got this thing in here, and I think that we're gonna start, getting rid of this. We got a couple feet here in the front we can get rid of. Get rid of this 300-pound friggin' hood. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But anyways, we'll get the body taken off this thing. I think we got everything we're gonna need here. Little sawzall.
Got her. Man.
Sledgehammer. Crowbar. I think we can take the whole body off with that basically. Probably a 10mm on my impact drill, but anyways, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it is a hot mother in the shop. Holy cow. So we got the hood off. Set over there, peeled one of the headlights out of it. Need to peel the other one out because I'm going to mount just the buckets with the light in them on this somewhere. Maybe on top of the radiator, right next to each other. I don't know. Probably not. But I forgot to fire up the camera when we're pulling the hood off. Sorry. I'm going to try and catch everything else from here on out though. So I'll see you in a little while. Well, Chris has been over here pulling all the bolts out of the bumper and stuff. He says it's ready to go.
Well, kind of. I think we got another one over here.
We got a little bolt in it right here. Yeah, give it the donkey stomp.
Careful in your mandals.
We got that. There's a bolt right on there. Get it.
Maybe.
There it is. Too much wiring. That's what's happening. What is this? What is that? That's a deep one. Give him a twist. thing it's plugged into, just in case. Oops. Where's that tin socket at? Ugh. That tin socket, you know what happened to it?
It's up here on the table somewhere.
Over all by itself. I don't know what this is, but
Might want to have that.
yeah. If what's happened already is any indication of how it's gonna go, I want to keep all the things. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we got the front end off the car. Only took us like an hour and a half of straight labor. 4,000 bolts to totally ruin a perfectly good car. But that's kind of our thing.